So it is Finnish Midsummer, and when it's Finnish Midsummer it is a tradition to go to sauna, and we of course have our own sauna over here, and yeah, soon you will see how it's built up, and then we go to sauna. So I guess everybody knows that we Finns are a bit sauna crazy people, and we are for the most part. I personally I'm not, but it's nice to have sauna with you, mainly because the water's damn cold over here. It's middle of June now, and the water is something like 15 degrees Celsius, and you don't want to go swimming over there. Well, some of us do, but I personally like just a bit warmer water when I go to swimming. But it's much nicer to go wash yourself from sauna. So we are gonna build one with Silkki. It's basically a tent with a stove in it and some stones from the nature, and that's it. But yeah, you'll see soon. So let's get started. So the sauna builder is over there. He's going to get some more beer, and sauna bench is over here, and the supports for it are here. The stove is in this lovely IKEA bag, and the tent is in these two green bags. So that's basically it, and after we put this up, we're gonna find some stones from the nature for the stove to get some löyly, and yeah, that's it. So let's get going. And it's done, except that it isn't, but the sauna tent is up. So we still need the stones for the stove, so we can have some löyly. We're gonna build a pile of stones over here, and then we're gonna find some firewood, and then it's heating time, and then it's sauna time. No. This is called a kiehinen. Usually it's quite wet at this time of the year in Finland, but now it's been really dry for the last month and a half almost, and it just rained on the Midsummer day, which was yesterday, but today it's again very nice weather, and I don't think that we have any troubles getting the fire up in the stove.
Maybe we can start it with this.
Yeah.
ryhtyä tänään tuohon. Liikaa paineita onnistuu.
It needs to light up on the first match.
We'll see about that.
Tässä. So far so good. Man, I wish that I could give you the smell also from this tarry pine tree burning is just one of the best scents that I know. And when we are warming this stove up, it's a good rule of thumb when the first two pipes, that pipe and that pipe, are glowing red. That's an indication for that we have enough wood in the stove and it's warming up. The stove actually is from a Finnish military tent, but it's a bit modified version with this side iron over here, so that we can pile more stones into the stove. Is it ready?
We'll see.
It's still a bit of like a lukewarm.
Yeah. The lower rocks are hot, but not the top ones.
Maybe we will wait for a while and then it's time. And 20 minutes later, good enough.
Good enough, yeah.
So, it's sauna time.
Pitäisi olla sellainen vihreä tuikkari tuosta ihan.
What? Noniin. Löylyä perkele.
Löylyä perkele.
Oh yeah, you can see it from the camera. The first pipe is red. Just like it's supposed to be. We call it mansikka. Strawberry. It's glowing red. And now the lens is getting steamy. Maybe it's time to get rid of the camera. Bye! Ah, that was good. Doesn't really get better than that.
Yeah, great feeling.